Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My mom is sleeping right now, so I thought I can do some fireless cooking for you guys. I couldn't make anything on the burner right now, so I thought why not make anything that is fireless. So today we are going to be making biscuit sandwiches and another unique recipe. I'm sure no one has tried it. I mean, a little bit of people has tried it. So the ingredients for this are tomato, onion, cucumber, capsicum, cheese, tomato ketchup, salty biscuits, black pepper, and salt. Now guys, we're gonna add all of the ingredients in a bowl. So now we're gonna mix these up. Now guys, we have mixed our ingredients. Now we're gonna make the sandwich, and we're gonna put tomato ketchup on 2 biscuits. And then add the vegetables. And then the grated cheese. Now we're gonna put 1 biscuit on top of another, and then squeeze it, and then just eat it. Wonderful. Guys, this was wonderful. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time. Cheers.